Our government is executing the policy of boosting renewable energy generation by 2025. However, the renewable energy is not a stable resource. Furthermore, in case of overabundant renewable energy generation feeding into the utility, it is capable of deteriorating the power supply and making electrical power dispatch difficult. As a result, the Institute of Nuclear Energy Research proposes the corresponding solutions. Using microgrids, energy storage systems, and energy management systems to stabilize the voltage and frequency within microgrids and increase the microgrid capability of renewable energy accommodation. The microgrid system is the cornerstone for stable operations of renewable energy. Throughout the world, renewable energy microgrid systems have been the focus of electricity technology development for the past 20 years. According to the Smart Grid Comprehensive Plan Act approved by the Executive Yuan on September 3, 2012, the Institute of Nuclear Energy Research, INER, the pioneer of the development of microgrids in Taiwan, will be responsible for executing the development of autonomous microgrid technologies. It is hoped that the INER can effectively integrate the distributed sources of energy for microgrids and strengthen the infusion of renewable energy. INER, currently located in Longtan, Taoyuan, has built the first 100-kilowatt scale microgrid demonstration site in Taiwan with a total capacity of about 470 kilowatts and carried out the National Energy Program Phase 2 of the Ministry of Science and Technology. The plan was the second-place winner of all the NEP2 plans. In order to elevate the application value of microgrids and offer auxiliary services to the electric power supply, the Institute of Nuclear Energy Research's microgrid demonstration site is in fact connected to the OQ38 high-voltage cable at Taipower Longtan and is capable of receiving instructions from the Taipower Taoyuan district 20 kilometers away to assist with the distribution of electricity. Instructions are given from the Taipower dispatch platform and received by the workstation at the microgrid of the Institute of Nuclear Energy Research. Based on the message, it can instantly start to dynamically carry out the load shedding until the volume of the load shedding reaches 50 kilowatts or more. The Institute of Nuclear Energy Research has completed the development of an optimization of deployment and control system for microgrid operated in island mode. It integrates 3 subsystems, one for renewable energy generation and load forecasts, one for machine scheduling, and one for real-time deployment. It utilizes data from the monitoring and deployment system to instantly adjust or compensate for charging or discharging from the power storage in order to ensure that the microgrid can continuously operate for 100 hours in isolation. Renewable energy resource accounts for an average of 54% of power generation. When an area joins commercial power supply, the microgrid systems of INER can execute charging or discharging operations based on the state of the batteries. This not only stabilizes voltage of power, but also lowers the impact of renewable energy on commercial power supply. When receiving dispatch command from Taipower, the microgrid system will immediately issue an auxiliary order to output 100 kilowatts of power to the utility grid and to maintain 4 hours of stable operations. The Institute of Nuclear Energy Research has actively engaged in technology transfers in recent years to assist Taiwanese firms to grow their professional capability to construct microgrids. In support of the government's new southbound policy, the Institute has worked closely with Taipower to plan for the building of anti-disaster microgrids on outlying islands. It is our hope to take the successful experience on Dongjiyu southward to energy-hungry Southeast Asian countries, a move that could expand the diplomatic reach and trading relationships of the nation. In the future, INER will continue to improve electricity allocation and the efficiency of electricity storage to ensure that reliable microgrid systems and secure electricity usage are available in the nation.